I bet you didn't know that you can kickstart a career from your couch. Let's explore the world of virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, or VA, is someone who provides administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. But how do you get started? First, figure out what services you can offer. Don't try to do everything, just what you're good at. Next, get yourself out there. Create an online presence with a professional website or a LinkedIn profile. Platforms like Canva can help make your portfolio look sharp. Testimonials are gold. Even if they're from volunteer work, they boost your credibility. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Facebook groups to find clients. Pitch confidently and build relationships. Starting out, offer services at a discounted rate or take on small projects. This helps you build a reputation and get reviews. And always keep learning. New tools and skills will set you apart. So, there you have it. Everything you need to start your journey as a virtual assistant. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your own path to success. See you in the next video.